Hi Seamus, Phil Beever here from yesterday's lesson. Just want to recap on what we worked on. So we came into this room after spending quite a bit of time on the range, trying to change your weight, how it moves. So we'll run through this here. So one of the first things we tried to work on with the range was this part here, and that's a little bit blurry, but we can see the shaft. It's going behind your body. So we can see here the shaft is already at this frame here. We can see the club head, and it goes in what we call two inside. If we look here at Adam Scott, we see that he keeps the club shaft in front of his hand, so his club head is always sort of this side of the screen as opposed to yours on this left bit that I'm squiggling at. So that's where we wanted to get the feeling, and you can see the shaft then cuts through the top right part of his forearm, where we can see yours when it gets to that. It does get to that same position, but it's at a very different angle. We can see Scott's points between his golf ball, the golf ball on the floor that he's hitting, and his feet. And we can see with yours it points way above that. So that's one thing you need to work on. That really helped your pitching and mainly your striking. That's one of the reasons why you fin it quite a lot, because that club goes too far behind you. Second thing, Seamus, is your weight. So if we have a look here, draw a line on Adam, if we look at his swing here, if his bottom will stay on that line pretty much. I mean, he's moved off it, what, a fraction? Pretty much, and we can see the knees touching very, very good. If we look at yours, when you come down, we can see that you move off it considerably more than Adam there. So that's the reason why you're hitting a few of them horrible things, them shanks, really, because that right hip for me was coming off of that line way too quickly and towards the ball. So we put you on the pressure mat here. If we have a look at setup, we can see there you've got sort of 53% on the left side, 47 on the right. But we can see here as you run through the top of your swing, you get to the top here of your swing, you've got 86% pressure into your right toe as opposed to your right heel. And then we can also see here on the left, you've got 77% pressure in the left toe. So it's way too toe orientated. So when you start down, that weight's going to still move to the left, which is good. But we can see already there's 100% pressure on the left toe. Now that's one of the reasons why your hips are pushing forwards into the shot, and you're catching them out of the hosel, where we've got to try and get that weight into the left heel. And then once we've done that, obviously that yellow line will run linear horizontal along that map, and that white ball will look a little bit tidier. So work on that for me, Seamus. Just get that left hip turning, stop that weight going into the toes. It gave you the feeling of screwing your toes up, which tried to help you, but the more you can do that, the more we can stop you moving into the shot. And that takeaway will get you striking it again, and then all will be good. Hope that all makes sense. Any problems, give us a call.